Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from Bharat, India. Let's start with your reading, okay? And this is going to be though timeless, and I found this on my one of the bags and all that stuff, so I just kept it, okay? It was like pinned there, and it's Lucky Bear. It's Lucky Bear. Wow. It's like my platter, my table is like a treasure hunt. Alright, so let's begin. So the message is, they want it, okay? Whoever you might be dealing, something that you really want or desire, okay? But I kind of get this vibe from other energy here. They want it. Someone over here is involved with you or is about to get involved on a deeper note here. You people might be, knowing someone, observing. Let's take it a little slow, okay? Maybe this is the energy you've been sharing. Take it a little slow, okay? Maybe they are so fast in saying something or you, and then you both are like, okay, let's take it slow, okay? And that's okay because the vibe is right now very much like beautiful. Gestures are reciprocated. I kind of get this vibe, okay? So they want it. Now here, I feel like they wanted is the energy of other person or your work, but most probably person involved with you or is about to get involved on a deeper note. I am repeating it, okay? I am viewing this card with you because I've been shuffling. I know the back energy, that's for sure, lovers, but Knight of Swords energy is like they want it. And this energy is also someone who does get a little bit, overexcited. I feel like that. So this is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy. Some of you been dealing with Gemini because of lovers here at the bottom. However, as an energy form, there is something coming towards you. I feel like this energy is about to talk to you about some important matter. They're all armored, kind of like they're ready, okay? Basically, they want to discuss something important and they can't skip it. I am going to take this card, so your energy about as per your timeline goes and fits this situation. I feel like it's coming out of the clouds kind of, and the conversation is in demand, is in need, and they want it, okay? So someone does want this conversation first of all, very important, okay? And I feel like your energy is also, okay, let's move towards you kind of. For some cases, this is going to be the bounce of something from recent or distant, little bit depending upon your timeline, from the past, okay? For some cases it was not approved, it was not claimed, it was not said and done. Something was there like this and box was closed, and now unleashing will happen. Looking at Lucky Bear, this is something connected with the bear zone as well, I feel like. So you can take it as a charm or something like that. I feel like they are waking up and someone is all like, first word I picked up was tidy, like tidy of thoughts. They're tidy, they're doing like cleaning and cracking up and illumination and all those big words, but like it's like tidy. Someone's thoughts are clear, clean, organized, we can say tidy, organized, okay? Yeah, that's what it is. The time is here to reciprocate. Time is here to talk about, okay? Nice, I like it. And you're going to say like, to yourself, it's like conversation with yourself as well. To some extent you're saying, oh, I like it. So Aquarians are about to say, oh, I like it. You have the bottom energy, lovers. Again, look at it on a deeper note here. It's being blessed. It's a reunion. People who get lovers, it is something connected with the vibe of like ultimately and finally it was supposed to be, and it is coming on track because it was always destined. Okay, we fought, we do quarrel, we split kind of, space and blah blah blah, all the stuff, but then we are coming up, coming together. Energy is this card. So looking at you again, Nine of Cups energy is so gorgeous. I mean, you knew it all the way it's gonna come to you, or some desire will come true because your intuition was telling you from so long. It is also law of attraction, guys. Yes, it works. Someone over here patiently being waiting, wet. Maybe someone is a vet, vet, okay, doctor. This energy is, some of you might be into like taking care of animals here, or different animals. It's not just one specific, different animals. You very much adore that, you take care. Some of you are doing it like voluntary, maybe that's why I picked up that point. Okay, anyways, this is something connected with like you always were aware, you were focusing on yourself and you were doing your stuff. Okay, let's be slow kind of energy as well, but you were looking at it, I knew all the way kind of. So law of attraction is working great here. Someone's desire is coming true, someone is admiring the person here and they can't resist here, that is for sure. They want it. Okay, so they want it because you were always aware about that kind of energy is coming here. However, lovers were supposed to enter this real and they are. Someone from far, according to you, your timeline, your distance, okay, time zones, someone's ship is coming true in simple words, and someone's desire is coming true. Someone's lover is calling from far. Someone who was taking break now can't wait. Okay, maybe we both were on break. This is also long distance relationship. Finally meeting is going to happen, but this is also someone who possible is in services. If that's not the case, it is someone who is away. This is not something in minimum, like the distance is too much. Okay, it's not that easy and was not easy. I'm not going to edit it, okay guys. Anyways, this was not easy for any one of you, like, or for this person to stay away because of the pandemic we've been through, and still it is the lockdowns and all the concepts. It was difficult to bear that vibe of staying away, or the problems that people were facing during this chaos. The reason is definitely because it's testing time. So maybe people who are coming back together as lovers will make sense here. Obviously, with the Three of Wands energy, I feel that someone gonna contact you. Now this person is, or maybe Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Gemini in particular. Okay, and I'm hearing particular this person, so there is someone here. However, this is also fire sign. It is a Leo, Sagittarius. I feel this person is coming around the corner. This may be again King of Swords energy, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but I feel like it is something you settled, or you were settled on your throne kind of energy. You knew it. It's kind of like far sight, like you saw it coming, something that you saw coming, and it is coming around. Okay, and you're ready for that conversation. You were always ready. It's not to cut it off, is rather you always were aware. There's a message from far coming. Okay, message from far coming with the Two of Swords energy. You've been not in talking terms with this person. I'm going to take these two cards because they were attached. Okay, so something that never was approved, claimed again, is coming all the way here. Okay, in this picture I feel like it is some confusion that is going to will be clarified here because they want it. I feel like if this is your energy of like not wanting it, or still confused, kind of still confused in a way because something happened, like you've been not in talking terms. Okay, so if this happened, there's a lot that need to be discussed, need to be seen. Possible you need to remove that blindfold if this is for you, in order to view what exactly this person is bringing on the table, because I feel like someone is bringing something on the table to talk about. Okay, again I have to repeat it. It's a note you have to see with the magnifying glass. What it's that we are not talking about something that made you come down on your knees, no, something that was abusive, pattern, not right, and all those stuffs that people go through. They know it better. Okay, so if something happened that you never can approve it, you have to take your decisions here. The story can take the twist and the turn here, okay, for the better. Some of you are not talking to them still. Anyways, okay, but there is something. Let's see what is there. They want this. Most probably they want this conversation. So clear in the cards as well. They want this conversation. Okay, They want something positive out of, they want the reciprocation, they want affection, they want greeting from you, if this is the case. I also see money coming your way in few days. It's going to be reflecting in your account. I did one of the readings of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn recently, and they had that reflecting of money in the account. So possible some of you might be dealing with such a scenario of business purposes, and this is earth element though. Six of Pentacles. However, there is something that desires or desire your proper reflection and reciprocation in this situation. So this may be work opportunity, this may be conversation that they want. They expect from you that softness, that gratitude, okay, equality, or at least you talk to them. Talk to me, okay? I also see like you providing something to someone, something, maybe finance, okay, like money related thing, or something that you are getting here. Something that was blocked will be cleared out here. Interesting. In your present scenario, it's going to be opportunity. It's going to be profitable, whatever it is, your work or something. I see like sales going up kind of. It is also conversation going on a positive note with whatever situation you are going through right now, work or love related things. It's going to be difficult to acknowledge or accept that it is here. Something that caused you this, possible, something that you dropped the idea, possible, something that was possible ghosted kind of situation, or you turned off the television kind of, like I don't want that signal anymore. It's like something that was not giving you the signal anymore, or the situation was not having the signal anymore. I feel from that possible dead signal, something is coming, okay? And something is Ace of Cups. The love that will be presented to you, the thing that you have even earned, self-love as well, definitely, and you've been working and focusing on something in the now, is going to bring you a lot of stability and a lot of self-love. But apart from that self-love kind of thing, it is coming because you did this kind of transformation. However, I feel this kind of energy that someone is going to say, me, hi, how have you been? This is what I thought about you all the way. So they want this. I feel they want this from you. Regardless your situation went through like this, they caused it, you caused it, however this fits you. This is the stress on some offer as well. I'm feeling like whatever will be presented to you, because this is also right opportunity at the right time. Also, this is someone who is interested. I feel like this is proposal, okay, equality, respect, gratitude, affection here. But apart from this, this is something that may give you stress because you don't know what to do, because this is coming from the place you stop talking, or kind of like it was dead emotions, okay? Something is keeping you awake. Reason might be the love offer. Reason might be something that someone is definitely interested in talking to you here. I feel that. Did I say in the startup there can be a wand energy like fire? Aries, Leo, Sagittarius as well. However, I'm also picking the sign of Piscean here for some specific, okay? There is something partial connected with that person, okay, somehow. This is your next phase that is coming in the picture. Knight of Wands energy, someone who is approaching you in the future. So next phase, next event, someone who is ready and they're going to face you. There is something that is facing you kind of energy is coming. And I talked all the way here about offer and all that stuff. You have Four of Cups energy as well, okay? Now what do you expect from this offer? Because it is coming and you may take a lot of time in, I'm not even talking about right now accepting. Possible some of you are just talking, knowing, you know. This is also something that is being given to you in the now. If it is something new or something, then this is, that will go away, okay? This is something that will go away. This energy is definitely coming all the way, okay? They have to tell you something. Like there is, to some extent, there is also some expression of aggression according, not on you, or I feel like it's connected with this person. They know they can do it. I mean, they should not, but they can do it because they can lose you. Okay. Let's see. Something was on hold, I feel. Of course, on hold. Whatever was on hold is going to take turn here. So your conversation was on hold. Now in the energy of like Knight of Swords, it's moving, okay? An on hold situation might have caused you this. I also feel like this is coming all the way after this. Is reason possible that now situations are according to someone, kind of like when it is possible, when it is like possible someone's love and attention is on the basis of like availability, okay? Maybe you are in their town or they are in your town and they are calling you, okay? Now when they're away, oh my god, I'm busy, that kind of situation. But let's see. Someone's heart is breaking and beating at the same time, or this situation causing them something to feel like they might be feeling like, because of all of the situation on hold and all, I've been through this heartbreak, okay? Kind of like cracks, you can mend it. Something was on hold and is on hold, and that caused this to you or to this person. However, someone is trying to stitch it. Now, even if you stitch it, there's going to be time that will take a lot of time to heal, okay? Because you need cells to build up again, heart. It takes time. If you're talking about biology and physical form, that yes, of course. But if it is something that's broken already, like something, whatever it is, I can do it well now. I mean, I am going to use glue or something like that to stick it together, but it's not going to be the same. Do you understand? Something is not the same. That may cause the stress. Someone who may become like excitement in your life or bring excitement, but the problem is this, what happened then is the problem. Now you people need to, if you are okay and let loose and do this stuff and all that, some of you are going to be in the future on hold kind of with this situation. Acceptance problem. Wait is over. Something is coming on track. Now whatever wait is over is going to be over. Still you need time. Let's see. Someone is missing you. You are missing them, they are missing you. However, the situation is going from like big bold letters kind of. No, it's not written in bold letters, but someone is missing you. I can't exaggerate, and missing part is like whatever was on hold is missing you. Someone is having cracks and sudden waking up, wait is over, and they're going to express. And this missing you is coming with this, wait is over and all that. They have to say something. Now the mystery is connected to what they have to say. Maybe they're going to tell you, I miss you. Someone does want to mend something, explain something, and it's like they've been into this situation of like 50-50. Should I break my walls? Should I contact? Should I go ahead? And they were never ready. They were always busy, or those were excuses. We were actually busy. Yes, they were busy, but then it's an excuse also because you need to have priority. Someone's guards are coming down in order to talk. They've been keeping a lot of stuff with them. They've been rejuvenating, taking space and all that. Now possible, it's like 50-50. Like they are going to explain you a little bit, or they're going to, however this fits you, okay? But vice versa. But someone is like 50, I'm ready now. Now how it fits you, I don't know. But this person is now feeling like I should break my walls and I should confess. Now I am ready kind of. Now what does that make sense? Like all the way I've been suffering this 9 of Swords, like, you know. But they have to say something. They're going to express it little by little, tiny by tiny, but something they have to say. The wall is breaking. They are ready now. A lot of rest time is here. I feel like it's also someone who does want to meet you. They want to have retreat with you, okay, and they want to talk to you. Now, as an individual, if it is just connected with your phase and as a person, you people are heading towards your next phase and building up something that someone cannot break. Okay, depends. But I feel like it's on the other side. Love is waiting, or someone who is, they want it. So I feel this is what they want. If you're interested in knowing, okay, what they want. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon. Bye.